Welcome to Daily Bread, your daily delicious dose. Comfort, joy, and Filipino warmth in every bite. Made for families who love simple meals. Let's start the day with a smile and recipe. Flip the page, find your bun. Step-by-step guides, easy as 1, 2, 3. No stress, just clear pictures and fun. Perfect for beginners and busy cooks. Cooking is love shared in every stir. Families side by side cooking together. Steam rises, laughter fills the kitchen. Daily bread makes bonding delicious. At home, it's more than food, it's culture. Use daily bread to teach and inspire, to laugh, point, and learn with joy. Filipino flavors, stories, and pride in every page. Tap the screen, Daily Bread is online. Watch cooking tips and recipe demos and updates. Subscribe and join our growing family. One click and the warmth begins. Daily Bread Cookbook, your perfect comforting food. Bread, steaming cups, and happy heart. Get yours today and cook with joy. Daily delicious dose every single day. Try Daily Bread Cookbook to help you start your own business by starting a bakery or just simply trying baking. Check out our interactive Daily Bread website. Daily Delicious Dose, a comforting food for every home. Check out this website for further updates. This website also is connected to our YouTube channel for you to be informed and watch more content with our demos and new releases on our cookbook. This website is very easy access and it is just easy for everyone. So try now and go to our website in order to try more ingredients. This is Daily Bread comforting food for every home. Subscribe now. Just one tap and check out